Hi guys, welcome to Mylakbay. Today I'm going to be trying, well I say trying, I've had it before in Indonesia. I'm of course talking about eel. I'm British, so in my country when people think of eel they think of something in a pot about that size and made with jelly. This however is made in a more beautiful way. It's made in two ways. I have the fried eel, which is this one. And then I have it in a curry sauce with garlic, and it has tomato, and of course I have my fried rice. Oh yes, can't go without fried rice. Delicious. So let's try the fried one first, shall we? This is very popular in Japan and in the northern part of the Philippines. I think all over Asia actually, in China, Vietnam, and lots of different places, but not so popular in England. But let's try. Wow, soft. That's good. Very meaty. When I brought the eel, it tasted like when I brought the eel before, it was very much done in this style in Indonesia. Delicious. Ooh, I'll use this. See how delicious and meaty that is. This is why it's popular in Japan. UNAGI in Japan. Very nice. Smells beautiful. Have you tried eel? If you have, what's your favourite way to cook it? Let me know in the comments, because I recommend this. This is delicious. I would definitely eat this again. Alright guys, I'm going to continue to eat now, so if you like this video, please give me your like and your subscribe. Until the next one, take care, and remember, no limits, no boundaries. Alright guys.